Hello and welcome to this new game dev session about my game Plaxel. Okay, I'm checking the audio. Seems to be working well. So, let's see. So last time I had some issue with my last task. The initial setup. I was working on... what was it again? Yeah, I was working on building automatically the release for Windows. I was trying to set up Docker on my Windows host and using it from my Linux VM, and I managed to do that. But in the end, I still had some issue about every build is failing. Why? Ah, okay, well, yeah, it's okay. The code analysis is failing because I don't have the coverage necessary. I guess. Yeah, problem of coverage, which is okay for the base I'm working on. Yeah. So I had some issues because the Windows Docker VM that I was using, I had trouble installing the Visual Studio tools. And let's see, GitHub, Docker runner. No, I don't remember. Docker executor. No, why GitLab? GitHub. Because on GitHub, the Windows runner they have. Oh, I don't see where is it. Action runner. The full list, I click here. Where is the full list? I want to see they have this runner Windows latest using. Yeah. But well, with the GitHub runner, they have the Visual Studio tools that I need to build. So in the end, I managed to make the build to build it successfully by by modifying a bit my CMake list, I guess. Yeah, I had to add this kind of things. Yeah, and everything was working well, so I'm just moving on to the next task. For this, I prepared an epic, which will be about my proof of concept. Before I think about doing something which we can really enjoy, I need to work on some concepts. The first one is I have to start with a fixed size side-scroller world. Yeah, and I want to include at least 2 materials and blocks of various sizes. That will be the beginning. Then I want to upgrade this to an infinite and procedural side-scroller world. Then I will work on the fluid simulation, then the collapsing block, and then the player movement. And the first task of my current user story is to draw a cube, which should be simple enough, but since it is the first task of this kind, I have to do some preparations, mostly about my test. So my current test is this one. So I already have this. My last test, I simplified it a bit. Draw and save screenshot with the name simple drawing test, which is here, and then it compares the images. So that's the same test I already had before, but no, I don't want to work on a screenshot. I want to work on some more testable data, and which is done with this. I will rename this to get triangles. This method will draw, and then it will get all the triangles that are rendered on the screen. Well, it will get the coordinate of each vertex with the texture coordinate and so on. Yeah. So that's what I want to do first. To do that, I implemented this method toString, which, because it will be easier to convert this structure, which is a vector of triangle, and a triangle is three vertices. This is the problem here. Can be made final. Don't know what if I need to do this. Well. So I'm doing this, and then when I do the toString of data, currently what I'm drawing is two squares. So these two squares here. And now I want to draw a cube. So with the current squares, what I get is this. Oh, I don't like that. So I don't really know why, but well, okay, I need to change the precision maybe. I don't know if it's about the precision or something else. We'll see. To print this result, what I'm doing is no, my bad. This is actually not a mistake. It's because Currently, I'm purposely updating this vertex to have some kind of animation. So this will be changed. It's okay. Okay, so do I like the way I'm displaying this? Maybe I will remove the bracket here. Yeah, it will be okay to remove the bracket. To string, the bracket are here. Is this? Okay. So my first triangle is this, then this one, and to do a cube I need 12 triangles. So that's what I will test, I guess. So normally I'm supposed to, let's see. The expected result will be something like, oh no, not this. This was a message I copy pasted into the chat. I don't have an easy way of copying this. Okay, so I will see about the real answer, but it will be something like this. Can I? Yeah, I can do this. I will have to do something like this. And it will be great if I can have some kind of oh, I forgot. If I can have a string comparison. I know that with the Java test I'm used to do, I have this. Okay, so I don't have the string comparison, but at least I can compare. It's not hard to compare. Here, I can make this a const, okay. Okay, the preparation are finished. I will just commit what I did. Yeah, this method get data. Okay, we'll try to see something. I will go into this file here. So there is no problem from IntelliJ, but I want to have a look if this is working now. No. With the version of Lion Nova, the plugin from Sonar is not working. So I will see, when I push, I will see the error that comes from Sonar. Okay, this file, there is no issue. Okay, this file, analyzing, there is no issue. here, for example, normally it should return me. Well, it should say something like you should add this no discard thingies. But no, so I will just copy paste it. Here there is no issue also. Yeah. So I have this method which take a vector and it will accumulate starting from the first item with a toString each time. And with this delimiter. Here, I guess I also need this because, yeah, I'm returning this. Same for here. Because there is no reason of calling this method if I don't plan to use the result. Okay, and here it's only a suggestion, which is not it's not a warning or anything. Okay, so I will commit this. And I don't know about if I will use upper camel case or something else for the name convention. I feel like I prefer this convention, but I'm not sure. And actually, I'm surprised because so I'm getting the data from my buffer, but normally I should not be able to do this because the buffer where is it? Let's see. To see the implementation, if I go, yeah, if I have a look at the, oh no, I'm searching for fine usage, Alt F7. So not this. So let's see directly this. For example, my vertex buffer. The usage is storage buffer, and vertex buffer. And normally, if I want to access the buffer from the CPU, I need this host visible property, which I don't have. Yeah, it's device local here. So I guess my test will not work in all conditions. I will have to check that. I will have to check on GitHub that it's both working for Windows and for Linux. Let's see again what I want to commit. Yeah, to get my triangles, I'm getting the index buffer and vertex buffer data with this method getData. And I need the draw command buffer data to know the index count, and then I'm getting the vertex buffer at the first index, then the second, then the third, and so on. Okay, I can commit that. I need to prefix my commit with, well, I want to, with the name of the user story I'm working on. So, prepare test to draw a cube by getting the data from the index and vertex buffer, something like this. Generally, I don't like this kind of commit. I prefer to have a commit saying like something like implement the drawing of a cube, something like this. But because it's quite new, I need to take smaller steps. Otherwise, I may if I have something working like I have currently, and if I don't save it, I may end up doing a change which I will not easily revert back to something which was working. And if the commit is too big, the intermediate revert may be a bit too difficult to do. Well, time consuming at least. There was something else I forgot to do because I don't know if I will see. Yeah, I have several warnings here, and I want to fix my warnings. To see the warning, I must go to messages. Okay, so what is this about? C++ forbids variable length array. Mem. So how should I proceed? Okay, I guess I have to do a vector. I will try to change it to a vector. I can do then, I have to remember that. I know there is a method to reserve. Maybe this. And then I can do mem data. Okay, let's see if it's working the same way. But yes, it's still working working the same. I guess I got rid of my problem. Okay, index count is unsigned. I want to convert this to... Well, no. No. I don't like using... I prefer to use something like this. Maybe I can do this. Hmm. I don't know the convention about this. I will search for this. Should I use uint or uint? Something like this. No, should. Hmm. Yes. Mhm. The last type u int 32 is more recent. In the end, I'm not sure. Want to see what the other programmer prefer. Okay, I guess the answer will be to, if you don't care about the size, you don't use this kind of type. But if you care about the size, for example, here, you care about the size because it's something which will be written into the GPU memory, and you want to ensure that the way you will have to manipulate it from the other side. But here I don't care, so because I don't care, I prefer to use the shorter type. Like this. Okay, so let's continue. Well, let's rebuild the project, and let's see the next error. Okay, my next error is about here. So I have this, which is a long unsigned int. Okay, I will move this to an integer. Buffer size, this size. I don't know. If I do this, it will complain about... So this exists. Unsigned long. Why not? But in the end, I don't think I will be result. What is the result here? Actually, because I change this to a vector, I can just return this, and that's it. So this I can move it back to this, I guess. Size type. It's strange to have a lot of type definition for the same thing. I'm not used to it from the other languages. Yes, so let's see. I have no build issues now. Okay, so I can commit this. And let's say fix integer, well, number conversions types. And it was about variable sized array. Okay. Maybe I can have a look at the SonarCloud analysis in GitHub. So let's go. I have a pull request in which I will do all my my checks. So here we can see there is two code smells. Okay, so this is already fixed. Okay, that's what I was doing. Yeah, for this problem, I don't have an easy solution. I'm too used to doing something like this from other languages. Yeah, I won't fix this for now. Is it making? No, this is not making the build fail. It's currently failing because yeah, the code smells are don't make the build fail. Here it's complaining about the coverage because of what actually? Normally, okay, this is strange. This is strange. It's complaining that partially covered. Okay, I guess there is 3 of 6 conditions. I don't know what it is about. Maybe I can run the test myself. with a coverage. And maybe I can check what is the problem. Okay, so I do have some coverage information. Okay, and there is indeed something about. Oh, sorry. There is something about the partial coverage, which I'm not sure what this is about. I don't have a lot of information. Maybe I can see the report from coverage. I don't remember where is the report. Yeah, I have to check what was the command for generating the report. I guess that's this one. I have to go into my debug folder. I have to install this. Okay, so maybe I can go into this report. Okay. I don't remember how. Don't want to include this. Okay, I don't have my file. I don't know. Maybe later I will try to see what this is about, but I don't feel like working on this now. Maybe there is one last thing I can do. I have this file coverage XML, but I cannot see. I cannot see the content from the artifact, for example, test report. The test report contains the file. Yeah, because I have a test. So this one, no, where is it? Here. So this test will save screenshots, and you can get the screenshot result in this test report. I will see the result of the, well, for the, for the coverage, I will have to see why the coverage is so low. Because everything that I wrote was necessary for my test, so coverage on new code. So uncovered line. That's strange. Okay, I see. I have 100% live line coverage, but not all the conditions are covered. But I don't know. I don't know what are the missing conditions. Okay, I will see that later. I will continue. We'll continue. So I need to draw a cube. To draw a cube, I need to draw 6 squares. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. If I need to draw I would like to do, if possible, I would like to refactor the maximum of what I will write. Let's see how I can do it in a simple way. Let's see. I will open a program which I don't remember the name. The name was... Oh, I don't remember. Okay, I know where to find this. I will go to... There is a program I added into my packages. Which is this one. Zonal. What I would like to do is to I will draw a square. Okay, I'm not really that good at drawing, but well, add these coordinates. To do so, I will change this. I will have the first one at the coordinate 0, 0. Okay. So this one will be let's see. This one will be the back side, I guess. Maybe is it where is the back side? Yeah. This coordinates is the up and down coordinates. Yeah, that's that. Oh no, what was it? So this one should be 1, 0. I will replace this without the dot. This one will be 1, 1. Is it correct? If I want to do the back side, I need to have... Yeah, that's correct. Zero. Okay. Let's see already. Because if I want to do the back side, I don't know which one it is, I will remove the other one. Okay, I will see when I have the front side. Let's say this one, well, I will copy this one. This one will be the same with this coordinate that will change. I guess in my schema here, it's not correct. Yeah. This, let's see, I will remove this and this. I want to back my pencil. No. The color blue. Maybe it would be better to use the draw rectangle or draw line. Let's start again. Hello, Theoman Samsuna. Welcome to my GameDev session. I don't know if you just came, but I'm currently working on this task, draw a cube. And if you want to see, currently I have this with a flycam, and I will change to draw a cube. And I just wanted to make some drawings to more easily see what I want to do. I'm not used to this tool. I will draw lines. Okay, and can I draw dotted line? I don't see that. Let's see. I want to see, to know if I can do what I want. Dotted line. Dash lines. Pen style. Maybe I can have a style. Where is it? Oh, I see. Dash. Oh, this one. So then I can do this. 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 Then I can go back to standard. 12. Okay. This. Okay, it's not really a square, but it will be enough. In order to draw a cube, we need 6 rectangles. Yes. Well, 6 squares. I just want to make it. Yeah, and that's why I want to do a drawing, because yeah, it can be confusing to see what I'm doing. So this will be the coordinate 0, 0 here, and the coordinate 1, 1, 1 will be here. 1, 1, 1. Oh. Can I modify? Yes, I can. That's good. So does it mean I can move things around? No, I cannot move this. Okay, that's strange. I would like to move this a bit, but okay. Let's add this here. Oh no, I'm still drawing lines, and I want to draw. How can I go back to drawing? Thing which is okay, nice. Here. So this will be the point with the coordinate 0, 0, 0, and this will be the point with coordinate 1, 1, 1. And so we have, let's see, also to draw the axis. We have, well, maybe I can draw arrow directly. That will be better. Draw arrow. Okay, we have X, Y, and Z. Something like this. Okay. I guess that's what I have. Then, so currently I have this, but I want the backside to be drawn in the reverse order. So that means this triangle, I'm doing first ABC. ABC is, let's see, this one, A, B, coordinate X, this one, A, B, C, and then I'm doing C, D, A, B, C, C, D, A. Okay, and if I want to do the reverse from the other way around, I need to reverse. I'm supposed to start with this vertex, so I need to start from 1, 0. And then this one, then CD, yeah. So maybe that's okay. No, that's not okay. Why? What did I do? Let's see again. I need to check something because maybe I need to check if my axes are correctly are in the correct direction. So I have two square. Now if I say this one will be at this position, so let's see what it does. Okay, so actually it was not in the correct order. The z-axis is in the opposite direction. Yep. Okay, and this one is on. Oh, what did I do? Yeah. This one should go up. It goes down. Okay. Okay. So I misunderstood this. And this one, does it go right? No, it goes left. It's exactly the opposite of what I was thinking. Or maybe it's because my camera. Maybe it's because of my camera. Let's see the position of my camera. My camera is in the positive. Yes, in the positive coordinates. Okay. I need to check again in the Vulkan tutorial if it's a mistake from me or if where is the mistake? Because there is somewhere they say, I don't know where. There is somewhere when they say they speak about coordinates. I don't remember where. Because maybe it's a problem with my camera and it will be better to fix the camera. Where is it? Because let's see. Even this seems weird to me. The texture coordinates does not seem to relate to the other coordinates. So I guess there is something wrong. Maybe, but I want to see if I can have an example of some of the proper coordinates. Maybe I can check 3D because I know in Vulkan there are some coordinates which are reversed. Well, 3D. I don't know if it's really different. Coordinate. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. So I guess the normal. Okay, I see. The normal coordinates are what I have on the left. So x should be on the right, and so on. Then I know that I fix the coordinate somewhere about the up coordinate. Let's see. Get view matrix. Okay, so I don't remember exactly. Yeah. I will try something to for an attempt to fix the coordinate. So this is not correct, and I actually reversed x and wow, okay. I really messed up everything. So this will be this coordinate, and this, and it will be in the other side. Can I move? I cannot move. Let's try again. Then I will have my Z coordinates here. So I guess this is what I want to do, which means that I should redo this. Why is it not working? I cannot. Okay, I cannot erase this. Ah, I see. Because it's text, I have to remove it like this. Okay, why not? 0, 0, 0. Just want to erase this, and no, this will be the 1, 1, 1 coordinate, and this will be the 0, 0, 0. And let's check again. I guess this should be the usual coordinate. Yeah. Okay, I will try to achieve this. And to achieve this, I need to... So I will need the camera to be here. So I need the camera in the minus Z coordinates. Yeah. So maybe that will be the first step. The camera. So this is the first problem. I need the camera from this side. So I'm trying some position. I'm printing my current position. So something like -3. And the rotation will be something like 30 minus 20 maybe, and 0. Okay, so currently I don't see anything because I'm not displaying the backside. So let's see, if I want to see the backside, maybe I have to draw in a different order. No? Yeah, I was... Okay, maybe I need to think a bit more about what I do. See, I want to change the culling mode for now because... So I don't remember, I guess it's known. If I do this, I will see probably. Unless my camera is not in the... Okay. I guess it's not in the right direction. Oh. Okay, I got it. No, I need to fix the coordinates to have the correct rotation and okay, so let's see. I will do this and this. Then maybe it's okay like this. Okay, it's better. Better, but I will move maybe like this. 2, 2, 1, 4. Oh, -4. 2, 2, 2, and -4. Okay. It's better if I go a bit closer. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 7. Okay. Then let's see if I move this to 2. This, so this is the back side, and yeah. So this coordinate is reversed. This one seemed okay. And let's see this one if I increase. Okay. And this coordinate is also reversed. Okay. I wanted to check this one also. So the x coordinate seems correct, but then the z and y axis seems to be incorrect. Let's see what I did wrong in this case. Mm. Okay, I will check back in the tutorial what they do for this matrix. To see when they are doing 3D, which is probably somewhere, maybe in this tutorial somewhere. Oh no, maybe. Okay, here they start doing some 3D. So in this case, it means Mhm. So probably before, I need to check how they create this matrix to um, to do the perspective. So it was in the previous tutorial. Yeah, okay. So there is one thing they are doing in the tutorial that I removed, I guess. Mm. So let's try this. To check the change, I will have this at this coordinate. Choo. The camera is moving in a non-natural way. Okay, for the Y coordinate, it's better. But then the Z coordinate seems wrong. But there is something weird about, because if my camera is in the minus coordinate, there is something definitely wrong. Okay, let's see one thing at a time. I need to reverse the when I move the mouse. I need to reverse this maybe. Oh, no, not here. So I will keep this, but I need to change this to a minus. Okay, this is better. This will be my new camera position. Yeah, there is something wrong with the camera position, because if I go up, the position becomes -3. So position, I guess it in there maybe. I can do minus position. Then if I do this, Okay, everything is wrong now. And I can probably check that because oh, let's see, I have a message. Okay. I want to see somewhere here. If I have the key right, then I expect the direction to the position to increase positively. Seems okay, which is weird. Maybe I'm trying to get back. Oh, if I go on the right, it's moving. Okay, I'm a bit confused about all of this, but it's okay. I will manage at some point. So what is wrong? This seems okay because if it is not left, then I'm getting a positive direction here. Ah, maybe delta time. Okay, the problem comes from here. Delta time is not positive. Uh, oh, start time. No, it's okay. No, my bad. No, this is positive. Hmm. Maybe I can debug that. We'll try to debug this. Result. So I moved on the right. So let's evaluate. If I do result dot x, this should give me something positive, which is not the case. Ah, yes, okay. I see. It's because I'm moving. I'm getting the left. The left is negative. Because the left is negative, I need to do the reverse. Okay. So this is logic. So it means I can simply do the reverse here. I need to change the beginning. Okay, there is something wrong. Because this should be at the X position 2. Which should be on the right. I did this minus position here. Okay. I'm checking. Something is reversed again. Checking all. It seems that I only have the X position reversed. Go back to where I'm doing my projection matrix. Maybe I will compare to this. It's probably an error with my camera because the projection should be okay. This camera code comes from an existing project. So I will try to have a look again at where this comes from. And yeah, and the translation seems to do this in positive coordinate. Oh, maybe. So let's see the logic. Here it's saying it is saying that the position of my camera have positive coordinates, positive x coordinates, which is not the case because yeah, I'm here. The z no, the y coordinate is negative, which is not right. And the z coordinate is negative, which is... Ah, I see. It's also not right. Oh no. There is something I don't understand. Okay, I have to check again the coordinate system. Because in what I'm doing, it's either the x coordinate, which is reversed, or it's the z one. Trying to understand. So let's see in this tutorial from OpenGL, maybe they talk about in this example, the z coordinate goes into this direction. So maybe that's what I'm supposed to have. Okay, let's see. OpenGL 3D coordinate. Okay. So I was reversing the z coordinate in my head. Okay. So this means that if I'm here, no. Okay, here everything makes sense. But the camera position yeah, in this case it should be the reverse. So I will do again minus position, which means that I have to change. So this should be okay, but then I need to change No, maybe it's okay. I don't know. I have to try. Okay, I need to go on this side. On this side, my coordinates are so -1, it seems okay. 2 up is okay, and 4, okay. This seems okay. Okay, that's what I forgot to change. Okay. I need to reverse the forward and backward key, but and also the no, up and down is okay. Yeah, forward and backward is reversed. For the camera initial position, I will change it again. And for this, let's see. Okay. Like the camera initial position, and now I will try to fix the back side and the front side. I also have to change I have to change for the Z direction. Can I see? I want to remove the coverage. Okay, I guess I need to change this. Let's see if everything is okay. Yes, I can move and everything seems natural. I will also fix my schema here. Because it was wrong. Well, normally this time it's okay. In blue. Mm. And then I will change the initial coordinates, which will be 1, 1, 1 here, and 0, 0, 0 here. Here and here. Okay. This time it should be okay. For the back side, so the back side is this one. Yes. Then I can normally do something like this for the text. No. Okay, I tried to set up the texture coordinates to the same as the vertex coordinate. I don't understand that. No. Maybe like this. Okay. Well, I don't understand this. This coordinate should be you can see that if I change this to -1, no, let's stay at 0 here. Yeah. So this should be the bottom left coordinate. And I don't understand why the coordinate is 0, 1. Because this is my texture. Maybe in the Vulkan tutorial they explain this somewhere. Yes, I have to remember that in Vulkan they reverse the Y coordinate. Okay, so I guess I have to live with that. The second coordinate is reversed, but not the last one. Okay, not the first one. Now that this side is okay, I have to draw it in the correct order because of the culling which I changed here. So let's go back to culling back faces. Okay. This is already in the correct order. Well, no. Actually, no, because it's the back side. So the front side is in the correct order. Oh, I forgot. And if I want to draw the back, let's start with only one triangle. Yeah. If I want to draw this in reverse, I need to draw, yeah, first this side here, which means that I have to switch. I have to switch A and B. Normally. Okay. Yes. And let's see if I add again this, the second triangle. Yeah. A, B, C, D. Let's see if I have to B, C, D. I also have to switch which one? B. B is this one. No, no, my bad. It's C, D, A. So C, D, A. So I have to do this side. First this one. So I have to do first the... Maybe I have to replace... No. Just a second. Okay. I'm trying to... I'm trying to reuse my add square method by just moving around my vertex. Let's see. Maybe I will. It will be easier if I draw something. So no, it should be simple. Actually, if I think about it a little bit, it's simple. I just have to reverse. I only have to reverse the x coordinates. So I have to do one. No. Yes. So I reverse this and this, this and this. And it should be okay. Yes. Yeah. But if I do this normally, I'm supposed to do the reverse here also. Because otherwise it may be a bit weird. Okay. Just... Oh no, no, it's okay. I was thinking that I was already reversing. This one is reversed. No, I don't. I don't have to reverse this? I'm not sure that's intuitive. Ah, no, okay, my bad. Oh, it's okay, okay. Okay, the back side and the front side is correct. Now I have to do the left and right. So let's start with the left side because this will be the side with this will be the side which has the lower coordinate. If I want to do the same, to write in the same order, I have to write from 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 0. 0. Then, yeah. Then I go. Oh no, where was I? Then I go up. Oh no, no. I'm confusing the Y and Z coordinates. So 0, 0, 1, then I go up, it becomes 0, 1, 1. And then, okay. Here I need to have, so this should be fine because 0, 1. This is down, and this is on the right. It should be okay. Yes. Yes. Now for the right side, it will be the same with a small variation. I just need to reverse. Well, so I need to add +1 to the x coordinate. And then I have to start from the positive. Well, I have to permute the two other coordinates. No, like this. 0 become 1 and oh no. Okay, I'm confusing the second and the third coordinate. 0 becomes 1. Okay, like this. Okay. And now I only need the bottom face and the upper face. Let's start with the bottom one. On the bottom side, okay, the coordinates, the second coordinate is at 0. Maybe I can do something like, okay, I will try something. I will take this and I will change. I will try. I'm doing a blind test. So it's not correct. So I need to reverse one side. I'm not sure which one. Maybe this one. Okay. Well, then it does not really matter. Because I'm not using a real material, I don't know how to make the side go well with each other. So I will keep it like this, and then I need the top side. Oh. Is the opposite of bottom top or upper? Top. Yeah. So the top side. So I need to set everything to 1, and then I need to reverse this, and this. Okay. And now I have my cube. Okay, and I want to see the initial position. Yeah, right. Okay. Now, if I run my test, I have this value here. This one. I will remove the space from the toString. The space are interesting, but it's a bit unusual to have a space. No, let's keep them. Okay. Then let's copy what I had. Okay. This cryptic string represents a square, a cube. So I'm doing an automated test with this kind of well, this will ensure me that I have no regression about drawing a simple cube. That's it for not for this session, but I will do a small break. Let's see. Yeah, I will do a small break. Then I will commit my change, and I will continue on on the next task, well, yeah, this one, use an actual block material. So see you after the break. I should be back in around 10 minutes maximum. So let's say in 8 minutes. See you soon. And I'm back. Just take some time to tweet my Apple. Hmm. I can search for the block material I will be using. I saw somewhere. Hmm. To see where I saw some sites I could use to download some free material, free textures. Hmm. It's not free. So where can I see if this is free? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Right. So I would like to start with a material of dirt. Terrain, natural maybe, or dirty. This is not bad. Wood, dirty. This one is not bad also. I like this one. Forest ground. It's using a lot of CPU for this. This is a normal. I see. Mm. What is this one? No. I'm not familiar with. Maybe I should have a look at a tutorial using all of this. All of these parameters. Because if I really want to take into account yeah, the fact that it's not totally flat, I don't know how to do this. So I have to look at the tutorial. I guess an OpenGL one will be okay. Maybe they have a tutorial for this. User guide. Maybe that's what I want. Okay. That would have been interesting. Oh, yeah. It's interesting if I can, if it's easy enough. I want to see how well this is supported in Blender. Mm. I will keep this website in mind. Do I still have the page? This one. So I will keep this in a folder. Which will be for Plaxel. And I want to start with a simpler texture. Ground. I will search for ground. Here it seems to be the same. They have multiple files, which I don't know how to. Have to search for a tutorial. Don't know what this means. It's the same. So I will probably continue more seriously. Because I finished my apple. So let's look for a tutorial of well, maybe with Vulkan material with normal displacement and so on. This could be interesting because I'm already using the example. As they want me to have well, this tool at least. Maybe I need to generate again the build. So for some reason, it's not working. But I don't know why. Because I have the window here. There is nothing. I don't know what is a tessellation shader. I will have a look at this. Tessellation with 2L shader. Oh, what is this? What is a tessellation? Maybe I can have a look at covering of a surface using one or more geometric shapes. Oh, I see. Yeah, but that's what I want. For example, here you see the curb is better because it's made of multiple geometry. Otherwise, it's difficult to see this difference. And sorry, this is in French. I don't know why. Let's see if I want to know if tessellation is used only. No, yeah, that's another example. Java. They are using Java. Displacement. Terrain tessellation. Maybe I can have a look at this example. It's better. Is it a problem of the version of Vulkan I'm using? Probably. What would be the correct call? Query pool, zero data size, pipeline stats. It's an array. Device size, data size. Well, I don't know. Is it the only problem? Because I could replace this by something like 0, but then I don't know. Data size. The other one, oh, I guess this is the one they wanted to call with void star. Type name dispatch. I don't know. Could do this, but I don't know what this patch is about. Let's see if I comment this, if this is something really useful for the... I guess it was not necessary. It's really slow. So let's see how tessellation works. Maybe I will start with the tutorial with OpenGL. It's difficult to try and do this quickly, but I would like to have an overview of what needs to be done. I understand that it's dividing our geometry to multiple vertices. I know about this object. And I don't know what this is. Hmm. I don't know why there is 4 coordinates, because if we are using triangles, it should have 3 coordinates, but it looks like it's doing... Does not seem to be based on triangle. Is it because of this? That each set of 4 vertices refer to a single patch. Okay, which match our quad subdivision previously. Probably this comes from the previous chapter. Let's see what is this quad subdivision. There's a lot I don't know about. Here they are talking about triangle. I understand this part. I want to know when they start talking about quad. Well, they don't. It's rendering as a sequence of triangle strips. An element buffer object to connect the vertices into triangles. Okay, I guess it's just about using an index buffer. I don't understand when. Okay, there is no next chapter. When they okay, I guess I understand what they mean. They basically mean they were using a grid depending on your interpolation calculation. Each, yeah, okay. Okay, so they are really pushing a batch of 4 vertices. In my case, if I look at what I do, I'm doing the same actually because yeah, I have a batch of 4 vertices. The only difference. Oh, okay. So I guess it's the same. So I'm doing the same as them here. a vertex buffer object. So I already have my vertex buffer object. GL patches. Okay, so I don't know. And oh, it's not the same as me. I need to understand what this does. Because it feels like I could be using this. You can pre-specify separate arrays of vertices, normals, and colors, and use them to construct a sequence of primitives with a single call to GL draw arrays. Because on my side, what I'm using is, let's see, draw frame. Where is it? Where is my draw command? No, not this. I don't know why I cannot find what I'm looking for. What I will do is, let's go to my renderer. In the renderer, no, not here. Here I have my index buffer, and this is used here, draw command. So okay, so it was used in the record command buffer. In the record command buffer, I have the draw command here, and in there I'm doing a draw indexed indirect, which is different because here it's a draw arrays. Draw elements. GL draw. Want to see index draws. So it seems to be draw elements that I'm using. And what is the difference between the two of them. This one is starting at indices. Okay, I see. Okay, I guess draw arrays is the less efficient version because it's using more data for what it does. Okay, I like to know a bit more about what I'm doing. So this means that if they have GL draw arrays, it means that they also have the same version for draw indexed. GL patches. And let's see something else. Draw arrays. So here they are using draw elements actually. So they were not even doing this, they were doing draw elements. Number of vertices per patch. So 4 seems to be a good solution because I'm drawing squares. So if I'm using 4 vertices, it seems fine. When specifying the number of vertices per patch, this value needs to match the number specified on the CPU. Where should it be? So I'm not sure about that. So it means that no. No, I don't understand. Maybe I'm missing a stage. Because I have the vertex shader, which is getting the position Oh, maybe that it's a difference. Okay, I see. Well, I'm not sure, but I think that I'm starting to understand. This selection control shader, which goes where? So it goes there. Primitive assembly, okay. Okay, I get the idea. I'm still not sure how we can be sure that we are getting the vertices for one square, but this will be understood at some point. Don't have to handle a dynamic level of detail normally. Well, maybe I will. I will need to do that at some point, but I don't think so. Okay. Hmm, there are still things I'm okay. Yeah. I need to see the example from this example. I have to see how they do the shader and so on. I don't think I will start working on this right away. Yeah, I would like to do all of this here. Seems a bit complex. It's quite complex, but my question is more: do I want to implement this? No. Or do I keep this for later? Because when I got this task, I was not thinking about doing all of this, doing a tessellation and so on. So I'm currently not sure if that's what I want to do. I will have to think about it. Use tessellation shader or later. Well, this question should be more something to comment on the task itself, but in the title it's okay also. Because using tessellation in something like in a block-like environment, it may lead to some issues about overlapping textures, which I have to think about. Tessellation, voxel world. I don't know. I don't know what to think about this. It's probably a good thing. Yeah, there is also this possibility. Because what they say is maybe it's better to disable tessellation on far chunks. So maybe I will not have this problem. I will have to think about this. Yeah. Because I was not familiar with the tessellation mechanism. So maybe I can have other use of this. Just looking at this, just by curiosity. So I don't know about this task. Use an actual block material. Because yeah, I will have to see if I want to use a simple material or if I opt for the option of having a more complex material. Okay. For today, I will stop at this task here. Yeah. I will finish my commit and then I will stop for today. So what I did is fix camera position and world coordinates, something like this. Plus draw cube. Well, that's what I did in the end. We have the 6 faces here. I don't know if there is a way to refactor this. The more I can refactor, the better it is in terms of maintainability. Because if I have to maintain 6 version of drawing a square, then yeah, every time I do a change for one square, I will have to replicate this change 6 times. That's why maybe I can refactor and I don't know, have some kind of boolean saying is it left or right? Something like that. I don't know. I will have to see about that. Okay. I'm pushing this. And that's it for me today. So thanks for watching and see you on next Monday for the next game dev session, and on Thursday I will be doing a web dev session. Goodbye.